Social Science, Grade 7, Block 16, Understanding Inequality, LP2, Caste Inequality by teacher Shikha. Students will be able to examine caste inequality as it exists in India. Children, please read the column Brides and Grooms from the section Caste Inequality in your content book. Children, just think, what is this column about? Why do you think a Brahmin woman wants to marry a Brahmin man, or a Kayastha man wants to marry a Kayastha girl? So, children, today we will learn about caste inequality in India. So, children, according to your content book, this is a matrimonial column where people belonging to different castes advertise for brides and grooms in order to get married. People in our society often like to marry within their caste, as this is one way Indian society has been divided from ancient times. Initially, caste was determined by one's occupation. Later, anyone born into a particular caste came to inherit the caste into which he/she born. The four castes were the Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Children, please read Ramakant's story from the section Class Inequality from your textbook, content book. Also, write 3 things that you did not like in the story and give reasons for the same. Students, you may write I did not like dash 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 because dash 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 as seen on the screen. Children, now let's discuss the activity. How did Ramakant's teachers treat him differently? Why? Do you think people belonging to so called lower caste should be treated in this manner? Give reason. So let's read the answers according to the story, the case study from your content book. Ramakant's teacher told him to sit separately from the rest of the students because he belonged to an oppressed caste. That is, he belonged to a so called lower caste. He was also not allowed to eat with his classmate because they belonged to so called upper caste. Unlike other students, Ramakant was asked to clean the school bathrooms when the cleaner did not turn up. He was discriminated against because of his caste. This violated his dignity as he should have been treated in the same way as the other students. Children, let's try to understand it through this chart. Caste inequality causes upper caste people look down upon lower caste. Lower caste people are denied many privileges. So, children, let's generalize our discussion. Why are people discriminated against on the basis of caste? How does caste divide our society? People who did not belong to the four main castes were considered inferior to the others. They were said to belong to so called lower caste because they usually did cleaning jobs. They were regarded as untouchables by those belonging to the so called upper caste and were denied access to temples, had separate wells in villages, and were not allowed to sit with people from the so called high caste. This led to caste based discrimination in society. So, children, one question: if Ramakant's father had a lot of money and a good job, do you think he would have been treated in the same way because of his caste? Give reasons. Children, just think, as these questions will help you understand and think about whether caste discrimination is only associated with poverty or whether it happens even for those who have better financial status. Children, now it's time for some application. Please try to solve your worksheets, read your content book. Children, please think about Ramakant's story. Ramakant was made to sit separately from others because of his caste. Why are the children in the school treated in the same way? And now the situation 2, the matrimonial columns. Why caste continues to be an important part of our identity in our society. Children, please read your book and try to solve your worksheet, as by the end of this topic, student can identify discrimination on the basis of caste. Also can examine caste inequality as it exists in India. Additionally, student can explain if caste inequalities apply to people with better financial status. I hope the topic is clear to you. Have a great day ahead, children. Please do take care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Thank you. Bye bye.